We just got up about 10 minutes ago, an hour late.
Freya.
And we're off.
Freya, inside.
Yeah, feels like we're in Europe. Cold. We are motoring out of the channel right now, and I am not ready to put my bikini on. It is so cold. Oh my gosh, the high today is 60 and the low is 50, but the wind chill is feeling like 40. So we've got buffs on. I would like to make a special shout out to Joy, who made me these leg warmers with Atlas's real face on them. She took a picture that I took of Atlas and turned it into a fabric and then sewed me these out of fleece. I just wish there was more Atlases, that's all. This is the Coast Guard.
Good morning. How are you doing, everybody?
Did we pass?
Everything's looking good. I'm just waiting for the puppy and a cup of coffee. I'll be on my way.
We're keeping them as crew. And this is now our dinghy over there.
We got extra hands when the autopilot gives up.
That's right. You guys are on watch now. All right, and they're off. And we passed.
What's our reward? Don't pick it.
No jail. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Good luck.
All right, bye guys. Thank you.
Thanks. Sorry there wasn't any cookie. I mean coffee.
Pretty slick.
Adios, amigos.
Bye.
Good luck.
Freezing.
Yeah.
Woo, that was cold. All right, well, that was the first time that I've ever been boarded by the Coast Guard in the United States of America. And they were super nice. Everyone's freezing, and no one fell in. I told them if they fell in it would be YouTube gold, but there are no takers. So we are, I don't know, how many miles did you say we're into our trip?
10 miles?
10 miles into a 67-mile run. So cold. Sun, come out, please. Whew. They gotta be cold too. I know. How you doing?
Good. It's been windy, been cold. Oh.
Alright, I'm really missing the Formosa right about now. The engine's running. We were just under sail, getting about 8.5 knots, which is pretty good. We had the second reef in, and we got 21 knots of wind, and we were heeling over, and the moment that we heeled, we lost steerage. I was at the helm, and what I'm thinking is that because the rudder's broken, that the more we heeled over, the less rudder I had in the water, and it just totally rounded up to wind, and then the sails started flogging, and it was a little bit hairy, kind of a shit show. It's not pleasant right now. So we're discussing going in to the next inlet. Tomorrow the wind is supposed to lay down. At this point, I'm thinking that it's probably not our best idea to be sailing the boat as much. I think we should be probably motor sailing with just a little bit of cloth out. Because like I said, when it heels over, we lose steerage. The plan was always to take it around and to switch the rudder out on the West Palm side of Florida. That's where all of our tools are and everything. So we're just bringing it around. We're itching to sail, so we're kind of pushing it. That's what's going on. I'm also trying to get my sea legs back. It's been a little while since I've sailed, and I can tell you the last time I got seasick was in the Gulf of Mexico like 5 years ago. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I had coffee like like I think I'm a badass and no breakfast, so. I haven't been doing a whole lot of filming because I'm a little green in the gills. Hate to admit it, but that's the truth.
Mixed emotions. Do you know I'm not immune to try?
So nice.
What, are you waving?
Well, no, he was just really nice on the radio.
Do you know I'm not immune to try? 8, 9, picking 9, 6, 3, losing grip, not sick. Unleashed in a tank of goldfish, rising up, careless and surprised, so deep. Uplift since I'm bringing on my heart, reaching out, reaching out. Since I'm bringing on my heart, reaching out, reaching out. Stop, fearful notions. Do you know I'm not immune to cry?
Oh my God, we're so close. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Jeez.
Picking up 6, 3, losing grip, not sick.
Oh, it's tight like a tiger.
In a tank of goldfish, rising up, careless and surprised, so deep. Uplift.
And we have arrived. Okay, let me tell you 2 things that were not caught on film today. A very successful docking adventure by yours truly. I didn't film it because I was not positive that it was going to be successful, but I did good. And also, me picking up mooring balls like a boss. Not on the bow, but on the helm. I get super nervous. It's not that I don't have the skill or the know-how, it's just I don't want to make a mistake, and I'm usually not like that. I am so like, yeah, let's make some mistakes, let's make a mess. We're gonna do a good job making a mess. But today, with the encouragement of Cyril, thank you very much, Squirrel, I did it, and I'm very proud of myself. So we are now on a mooring ball, and we're in Marina Jack, Sarasota. Today was rough. I don't have any makeup on, my face is a little windburned. We got our asses kicked. I don't know if you could hear me when I was telling you out there in the cockpit, but when we heeled over with the missing rudder, we lost steerage. The more we heeled over, the more we were affected by the missing rudder. So that was a little bit, I don't want to say scary, but it makes me feel like disheveled when I lose steering out there because I feel like everything's out of control. So we pulled the sails in and we started motoring. We did have over 20 knots of wind, so that doesn't help. We were reefed, but still. So it got a little bit busy, a little bit sporty, and we motored. Initially, I had planned on motoring from the west side to the east side because of the missing rudder, but we were just itching to sail, so we did. And we learned our lesson. So we're gonna do a little motor sailing on the way down to Key West. Now on the east side, we know those waters a lot better and the weather, so we'll be planning that accordingly. That's my roundup for today. We did good.
There's a popcorn option.
You're a popcorn option.